Dear students, I am Devender. In this video, I am explaining you class 8 maths. Now you can see here exercise 2.4 first question answer. Find the value of x so that L is parallel to M. Once they given already in the question, L is parallel to M. That means you can let assume this is the N. That means it is a transversal. Already you have studied in the previous class. If a pair of parallel lines, this is a pair of parallel lines or not? Yes. These are intersected by a transversal. Here N is a transversal. Then the angles in each pair of alternative exterior angles are equal. You can see here this is a 3x minus 10 and 2x plus 15 are called as alternative exterior angles. You know that alternative exterior angles are equal or not? Yes. So that I am writing here from the diagram here. These two are alternative exterior angles. So that I am writing here 2x plus 15 degrees is equal 3x minus 15. Now we can transpose here 2x to RHS minus 10 to LHS. That means you can write here 15 degrees plus 10 degrees is equal to 3x. If I am transposing 2x to RHS, it will become minus. That means here minus 2x. See here minus 10 will become plus 10. That means you can see here implies 15 plus 10 is how much? 25 degrees. 25 degrees is equal 3x minus 2x is how much? X only. Implies I am writing here x is equal 25 degrees. This is your final answer. Now you can see your second question. 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times of the number and 4. Find the number. We don't know that. Yes or no? We don't know that number. So that first of all I am taking here let the number be x. I am taking here let the number be x. First of all 8 times of a number means you can just multiply 8 into x. It will be 8x or not? Yes. Next one you can see one more here 6 times the number. 6 times the number means 6 into x. Yes or no? 6 into x is equal to 6x. But once you can see here as per the given data 8 times of a number reduced by 10. That means you can subtract here 8 times of a number reduced by 10. 8 times of number means 8x reduced by 10 means minus 10 is equal to means is equal sum of means addition of 6 times the number. 6 times number means how much? 6x. 6 times the number and 4. That means already they mentioned sum of. That means here plus 4. You know that from here onwards you can do very easy. 8x minus 10 is equal to 6x plus 4. Just you can see here you can transpose 6s to LHS minus 10 to RHS. That means you will get here how much? 8x minus 6x is equal to 4 plus 10. Yes or no? Next here 8x minus 6x is how much? 8 minus 6 here 2x is equal 4 plus 10 is how much? 14. That means you are getting is how much? X is equal to here 14 by 2. That means you are how much here? 7. Yes or no? That means the required number is 7. 7 is your answer. Question number 3. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. First of all, I am writing here, given that sum of the digits in a number is how much? Sum of the digits in a number is 9 or not? Yes, you can write here 9. We don't know that, which is the digit at 1's place and 10's place. So that I am taking here, let the digit at 1 place will be x. I am taking here x only. Then the digit at 10's place will be equal to here. Sum of the digits is how much? 9. Already you know that one's digit place how much it is? X only. So that you can write here then the digit at 10's place will be 9 minus x. Yes or no? If I am adding both, see 9 minus x plus x, you are getting 9 or not? So that I am taking here 1's place digit is x only. The digit at 10's place will be 9 minus x. But already they mentioned that therefore the number will be equal to, first you can write here 10's place. 10's place is how much? 9 minus x. That means can I write here 10 into 9 minus x. Why? Because it is a 10's place. Already, then you can add here 1's place is how much? X only. That means 10 9 ja 90 minus 10 into x 10x plus x. That means you are getting is how much? 90 minus 9x. Yes or no? This is the original number. But already given that they mentioned here, see, if 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Once you can see here, 1's plus digit is x, 10's plus digit is 9 minus x or not. If the digits are reversed here, then 1's plus digit will be 9 minus x, 10's plus digit will be x only. So that I am writing here now, number obtained by reversing the digits, I am writing here 10 into, already here it is 10's place, but already digits are reversed, so that I am taking here 10 into x plus, here you can write here 9 minus x will be become as 1's place. Here you can write here 9 minus x. That means you can write here 10 into x. Here 10x plus 9 minus x. That means here 10x minus x, you will get 9x. 9x plus 9. That means the reversing number will be 9x plus 9. But already mentioned that it is given that if 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. That means original number minus 27 is equal numbers obtained by reversing the number. What is the original number? Original number will be 90 minus 9x or not? You can write here 90 minus 9x minus 27 is equal numbers obtained by reversing the digits. It is 9x plus 9. Yes or no? It is 9x plus 9. Now you can solve this problem as simple equations here. 90 minus 27, how much it is? 10 minus 7 here, 3 only here, 8 minus 2 here, 63 minus 9x is equal to here 9x plus 9. Now we can transpose 9 to LHS, here minus 9x to RHS. That means you are getting is how much? 63 plus 9. Sir, here 63, it is plus 9. If you are transposing to LHS, it will become minus. 63 minus 9 is equal 9x here plus 9x. That means you are getting is how much here? 63 minus 9. You will get here 13 minus 9 is how much here? 14. Yes or no? Here how much here? 5. 5, 54 only. That means here 63 minus 9 is 54 only is equal. 9x plus 9x is how much? 9x plus 9x is 18x. That means you can see here 54 is equal to 18x means x is equal to, how can I write here? You can transpose 18 to LHS. That means you can write here 54 by 18. 18 1 j 18, 18 3 j 52. That means implies you can write here x is equal 3. X is equal 3. Yes or no? You can write here x is equal 3. After that you can substitute this in equation 1. See, where is the original number here? Original number you can consider this is as first equation. You can consider this is as first equation. Then you can write here, see here the number is equal 90 minus 9x. You can substitute here x is equal to how much? 3. That means you can write here 90 minus 9 into 3. That means here you will get here 90 minus 9 3 is 27. That means here 10 minus 7 is 3 only. Here 8 minus 2 is how much? 6 only. That means the original number will be 63 only. You can write here the required number. The required number is equal 63. 63 is your answer. Now you can see here one more question. Exercise 2.4, question number 4. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in the ratio 5:3, find the number and two parts. First of all, I am writing the given information as given that a number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. So that I am taking here the smaller part will be x. I am taking here the smaller part will be x. Then the bigger part of a number will become x plus 10. Yes or no? See, what is the difference between these two numbers? Only 10 or not? That is only they mentioned here such that the one part is 10 more than the other. See here, the second part is 10 more than the first part or not? Yes. So that I am writing here, one part is x, other part will be x plus 10. But I already mentioned that given that two parts are in the ratio 5:3 or not? Yes or no? Given that two parts are in the ratio 5:3. So that I am writing here, first of all I am finding the ratio between the two parts. That means here x plus 10 by x. X plus 10 by x is in the ratio which one? 5:3. Yes or no? 5:3 means 5 by 3. Now we can do here cross multiplication. If you are doing cross multiplication, what will happen here? 3 into x plus 10 is equal 5 into x. Yes or no? You can write here by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. You know that these are already you have studied in previous one. Now you can see here 3 into x. 3x only. Next here 3 into 10. 30 is equal 5x. Now you can transpose 3x to RHS. That means you will get is how much here? 5x minus 3x is equal 30. Yes or no? Yes. That means you can simplify here. 5x minus 30 is equal to how much? 2x. Yes or no? 2x is equal to 30 means you can see here 2x is equal to 30. Then x is equal to how much? 30 by 2. That means here how much? 2 1 ja 2. 2 5 ja 15. 2 1 ja 2 15 ja. That means x is equal to how much? X is equal to 15. Therefore, x is equal to 15 means the smaller part is equal to how much here? 15. Next here, the bigger part is equal to x plus 10. That means you can write here 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10 means it is 25 or not? Yes. One part is 15, another part will be 25. The number is just you can add here 15 plus 25. It is how much? 15 plus 25 is 40. Therefore, you can write here the number. The number is 40. The two parts are the two parts are you can take here 15 and 25. 15 comma 25. This is your solution. Now you can see here question number 6. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. See here, once you can read the question carefully. First of all, Mary is twice older than her sister. We don't know her sister age. Yes or no? So that purpose, first you can assume that here see, let the present age of Mary's sister be x years. You can take here how much? X years. Let the present age of Mary's sister be x years. Then age of Mary will be, see here, Mary is twice older than her sister. Twice means it is 2 times. See here, Mary's sister age will be x years means Mary's age will be 2x. Yes or no? You can write here 2x years. That means here 2 means twice the age of Mary's sister age. Now see, after 5 years, Mary's sister age. See here, Mary's sister age will be now how much here? X only. After 5 years, it will become x plus 5 or not? Yes, x plus 5. For example, you can think your present age is 10 years. After 5 years, it will become 15 or not? How can you think 10 plus 5 is 15 like that? After 5 years, x plus 5. In the similar way, after 5 years, age of Mary will be, already present age is 2x years. After 5 years, it will become 2x plus 5 or not? Yes, 2x plus 5 years. It is x plus 5 years. It is here x 2x plus 5 years. Now you can see next, as per the given data, once you can see here, in 5 years time, she will be 2 years older than her sisters. She means here Mary's age is how much? 2x plus 5. Mary's age is 2x plus 5 is equal, see, she will be 2 years older than her sister. 2 years older than her sister age will be x plus 5. That means here x plus 5 older than, that means 2 years more than. That means you can take 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2. Just you can transpose x to LHS, then 5 to RHS. That means once you can see here 2x minus x is equal to 5 plus 2. You can write here 5 plus 2 minus 5. 5 plus 5 minus 5 cancel. You will get here how much? 2x minus x is equal to how much? X is equal to how much? 2 years. X is equal to how much? 2 years age. That means first you can see here present age of Mary's sister age. That means you can write here age of, you can write here age of Mary's sister. Age of Mary's sister is how much? 2 years. Next you can see here age of Mary is equal to how much? 2x. That means here 2 into 2. That means you will get how much? 4 years. This is your answer. Now you can see here exercise 2.4 question number 8. A town's population increased by 1200 people and then this new population decreased by 11%. The town now had 32 less people than it did before. The 1200 increase. Find the original population. You have to read the question at least 2 times. Why? Because you can try to understand what they have given in the question. See here, a town's population increased by 1200 people. We don't know how much the present population of the given town. Yes or no? So that I am taking here. Let a town's population is equal to x. You can take here how much here? I am taking here a town's population is equal to x. Here a town's population increased by how many people here? 1200 people. So that I am writing here number of people increased in a town's population is equal to how much? 1200. Yes or no? Yes. So that after increased 1200 people, can I write here town's new population is equal to x plus 1200 or not? Yes or no? See here, just now we discussed the town population is x, increased population is how much? 1200. That means x plus 1200 will be new population or not? Yes. Once you can see here, observe clearly. And then this new population decreased 11%. The new population is decreased 11%. New population means it is x plus 1200. This x plus 1200 decreased by how much percent? 11%. That means you can write here decrease percent in new population is equal to how much? 11%. See, you can assume here the town's population is 100%. In that 100%, 11% decreased means you can see here 100 minus 11 is how much? 100 minus 11. You can see here 10 minus 11 is 9 only here. 9 minus 1 is 89. That means the remaining people here how much here? 89%. So that I am taking here C. And then this new population decreased 11%. So that I am writing here a town's present population. Present population is how much? Already we have x plus 1200. X plus 1200. See here already how much percent decreased? 11% decreased. 11% decreased means the present population is equal to how much here? 89% or not? Yes, you can write here 89%. 89% means you know that 89 by 100. Yes or no? You can write here x plus 1200 into 89 by 100. Once you can observe here as per the given data. I am writing here as per the given data or as per the given problem. See here. The town now had 32 less people. 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. Before 1200 increase, how much town population is it x or not? See here. After population increase x plus 1200. But before 1200 increase, it is equal to x or not? Yes. See here. The towns now had 32 less people. That means can I write here x minus 32? Yes or no? X minus 32 is equal, see here. Then see here, the town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. That means this is equal to the present population of the city. That means I am writing here x plus 1200 into 89 by 100. Now you can solve this linear equation. You know how to solve this. Yes or no? First you can transpose 100 to LHS. That means I am writing here 100 into x minus 32 is equal to x plus 1200 into 89. Yes or no? Just I transposed 100 to LHS. This is the main step here only. 32 less people than 1200 increase is equal to the present population. Present population means x plus 1200 into 89 by 100. Now you can solve this equation 100 into x. 100x minus 100 into 32. You can write here 3200. Yes or no? Yes. Is equal 89 into x. 89x only here plus 1200 into 89. First you can write here 2 zeros directly. Next you can write here 12 9 ja. How much here? 12 9 ja 108 or not? Yes. 12 9 ja 108 here. 12 8 ja 96. 96 plus now 96 plus 10 how much? 106. Yes or no? 96 plus 10 here 106. I am writing here 106 800. Now you can transpose the remaining terms. See, you can transpose 89 to LHS, 3200 to RHS. It is already plus, so that you can write here minus 100x minus 89x is equal to 106,800 plus here you can write here 3200. That means you can write here 100x minus 89x. It will be equal to 10 minus 9 is 1 only. Here 9 minus 8 is 1 only. 11x is equal. Just you can add here 0. Here 2 zeros. You can 2 zeros directly. You can write here 2 zeros. Next you can write here 2 plus 8 is 10 only. You can take here 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 is how much? 4 plus 6 10. You can take here 1. Here 1 1. That means you are getting is how much? 1,10,000. Yes or no? Yes. Here 1,10,000. Just I am adding here 2 zeros I written directly. 2 plus 8 is 10 only. Yet you can carry 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. You can write here 10 here. 1 carry here. 10 plus 1 11. So that I am writing here 1,10,000. Now we can transpose x to L7 to RHS. Yes or no? 11x means here 1,10,000 means I need to find only x value or not. So that I am writing here x is equal to 1,10,000 by, I am writing here 11. 1,10,000 by 11 means you can see here 11 1 ja 11. 11 1 ja 11. You can write here 1 2 3 4 zeros directly. Yes or no? That means you can write here x is equal to 10,000 people. That means you can write here original population of the city. Original population. Original population is equal to how much? 10,000 people. The town's original population is equal to 10,000 only. First you can try to understand the question. Why? Because we need to understand, analyze, then only you can start this question. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete chapter videos in our class 8 maths playlist.